Hello, and welcome to our second day of class. We are in our Schoology page. Remember, when you sign into Schoology, you will see our class. When you come to the class page, remember to always read the announcements, and then you are going to find Welcome to the Fall Semester. This is our module. So you click here and you have week 1 because we are still in week 1. So we click week 1. Yesterday was September 7th. That was day 1. Now we are in day 2, September 8th. Click here and read the quote. Learning is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. So remember I told you I love motivational quotes. So you will see one every day. First, you'll have the video here at the top, this video you're watching now. Then you have asynchronous and synchronous work. So since we'll be together, I will go with synchronous first to show you. This is what we will do together as a class. So we have quite a few things again to do. We'll be working in Zoom, different features of Zoom. We're going to set expectations for our class and ourselves. And we're going to do some activities in Schoology. Okay, and everything is here. And that's what we'll do in synchronous class. So now we will go to asynchronous, which is our homework. Okay, and you have one homework assignment to do. Ooh, so interesting. Remember, always read all of the directions, everything, before you start typing. Okay? So, today you will introduce yourself to the class, but not with the usual facts. Here are some ideas. Choose one and tell us about it and why you chose that one. Have fun. So here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to choose from. Okay, so I have an example, and you're not going to start with, hello, my name is, because we already know who you are when you post. So here's the example. So I would like to introduce myself by telling you something interesting. If I could choose anywhere to live in the world. So I chose if I could choose anywhere in the world, it would be. I only picked one. I chose where I would live and why. All right. So the same as yesterday, you have your options. You can type or you can click the microphone and choose to do audio or video. But remember, you have to type something in order for the audio to go through. Okay, you have to type something in order for the audio to go through. So please, my friends, check for spelling. Spell check is right here. And then you can post. And that's it for your asynchronous assignment. And that's it for day 2. Good luck.